People say that the way of the Tao is great, and yet it also seems difficult to comprehend. Greatness can seem inconceivable, and yet, if it were not something extraordinary, it would have faded away long ago as just being ordinary. The way of the Tao has three simple treasures: compassion, moderation, and humility. With the strength of compassion, you can be brave from the heart. When living with moderation, you can be generous with others. When living from simplicity and humility, you can become a wise leader. But to be brave without compassion, or generous without moderation, or trying to be first without humility, this can lead to destruction and regret. Compassion can bring battles to an end, and compassion is also a wise defense. The way protects us by arming us with enlightened compassion. A skilled leader is not forceful. A skilled commander does not act from anger. A skilled winner does not compete from revenge. A skilled employer serves the common good. This is known as the virtue of not striving. The ability to engage people in a helpful manner comes from being in unity with the way of life.